All right, we're here in Westminster, Colorado. We're doing another James Hardie Fiber Cement Color Plus siding remodel. And I just wanted to, I have a lot of questions from homeowners whether or not you have to replace the OSB sheathing on the home, and it's not necessarily the case. What we did on this home is we tore off the old siding, and what we have underneath here is we have some Celotex fiber strand board that they used to use back in the 70s. Now, some contractors say that you have to replace this Celotex board with an OSB sheathing, but that's not necessarily the case. As we see, most of this on the house is good, so what we do is we just go ahead and tear off the old siding, we put up a moisture barrier, tape off all the openings, and then my new fiber cement siding is going to go right on top of that old Celotex substrate. We're here in Westminster, Colorado, and we just finished up yet another James Hardie fiber cement siding project here in Westminster. Let me show you over here. We went ahead and did a blue for the actual siding color, and then we went ahead and did an Arctic white for the trim. A good reason why a lot of homeowners end up choosing us throughout the entire decision process is because, first of all, we have really fair pricing, and then the second reason why is because we're actually part of the James Hardie Contractor Alliance program. That just means that we're doing everything to James Hardie specifications, and it means the homeowner gets the most value for their dollar. I know when the homeowner, is spending a lot of money on remodeling their home, they want to make sure that everything is installed correctly, and that's going to be warranted by James Hardie themselves. So this thing used to be old, outdated siding, and now it is completely fresh. It's going to be maintenance-free for at least 15 years, and it's going to stand up to all the Colorado elements that we get here in this state. Here at Exterior Recovery, we're always in communication with the homeowner, and we pay a lot of attention to detail on the installation process. So if I walk you over here, what we do is we do all new vents around the house, and then what we do is we're going to trim out each one of your water pipes, or for instance, up here where there's a exterior light, what we're going to do is we're going to trim those out and put flashing on top so no water gets in behind there. As well, the homeowner wanted to add a little bit of contrast here with a big belly band at the top. So we really kind of fit the homeowner's needs to exactly what they're looking to do on their home. So us at Exterior Recovery, we're not only James Hardie experts, we do about 4 to 6 homes a week at least, but we can handle any type of siding product that you're looking to put on your home because we have installers that are able to install really any type of siding product. So give us a call if you guys are ready to begin the remodel process on your home.